Designed for the MOS packs, the MOS Reach C is the perfect accessory to increase the utility of your MOS pack even further. Designed to fit perfectly into the power bank pocket next to your laptop. PD USB circa fast charging, USB-C output. The 9th of May 12, 15/20 of a volt, 3A, power delivery, PD 2. 0, USB-A output, 5 volts 2. 4A. Charge all your devices at once. The Reach C extends from one power outlet to 3 USB-A ports and 1 USB-C 60W PD 2. 0 port. Cable length, 4 feet. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect with the MOS Pack Grande. Works great with the MOS Pack Grande, fits perfectly in the spaces and charges everything I need. Doesn't come with a standard outlet slot like the original Reach, so you may not be able to charge your laptop if it doesn't support USB-C charging. Great for traveling. Great product if you know how to use it and buy the Mospack with it. Used it to charge my phone, laptop, and spare battery pack whenever I sat down somewhere while traveling.